Yo, welcome back to Containing Luxury. On this episode, we're going to be talking about whether we think the housing crisis can be solved by container homes. Let's get started. The housing crisis, let's discuss what is the housing crisis, because I think there's been so many different housing crises. Right now, the housing crisis is affordable housing. Before the housing crisis was housing values dropping. Right now, housing values are skyrocketing. There's a lot of people that still are making the lower side of income, and with the increasing value of homes, it's causing an issue for a lot of people, to save up down payment money or hitting that minimum income to get financing to purchase a home. So that's the crisis we're kind of discussing here. And I'm covered in dog hair. One of my dogs jumped up on me. Funny story. We adopted a dog from the pound, and she literally gave us hugs. That's how you know, like your dog's, like she was coming home with us. But she waited a year and did not shed a hair, like her whole life that we had her. And then like exactly on her birthday, she just like let loose and now exploded hair. So we joke that it was like, it's the 1 year mark and you can't return me, so now I can be myself, and she just explodes hair everywhere. So anyway, shiny thing. We think containers they really can be. You're gonna hear banging throughout this video and all different sounds because we're actually putting the siding that we left raw. We kind of left our container like half finished so people could see if they came out, like how the siding goes on and different sidings. We kind of shot that video in the past, but we think it can be. We have to look at it as to solve the housing crisis with how expensive homes are becoming and how much money contractors can make in the industry. We have to incentivize it for contractors to look at it from a different point of view. Like as a general contractor, if I could go do a bathroom remodel and charge $15,000 or $30,000 for a bathroom remodel, why am I ever gonna take the time to build an entire shipping container house for $50,000? And there's way more work that goes into this than goes into a bathroom remodel. So we have to look at it as how or why do we incentivize it for the builders or people that are making money in the industry? Because really, let's be real, those are the people that, negotiate the market into a certain, direction. So we have to look at it as, okay, we can mass produce these and we can make them energy efficient, we can buy them bulk, and we can save materials waste by keeping it into like a manufacturing type of plant. And I think honestly, that's the only way that people are really gonna start looking at shipping containers seriously, is to get, like if somebody with some deep pockets, puts in a big chunk of change and buys that big development or that big building where shipping containers are trucking in, and you've got, all of your steel right there on spot, and you've got skilled welders just welding all day, and you've got, skilled plumbers just plumbing all day. That's where it's gonna take a serious influence of money to get the initial cost done. But then, yeah, these can be the game changer, because then you can make these affordable, because now it's not that, okay, I'm doing a $15,000 bathroom or a $30,000 bathroom. Why am I gonna go build a shipping container home? It's, okay, I'm building 100 shipping container homes. So now all I have to do is figure out a really efficient way to get them done, and I can actually make way more money because I can hammer out, 10 shipping containers a month, start to finish, and have all of them going at the same time at same stages and just be pumping them out. Now that becomes something where the people that can really shift the market start looking at it as like, okay, this is something I want to invest in. The answer in my eyes is yes, shipping containers definitely can be, but they're not there now. It's not to say that they won't be in the future, and it's not to say that shipping containers may not be the route that they go. It might be that modular home builders start using the same ideas behind a shipping container, and that these shipping containers are only utilized by the people like us or like a do-it-yourselfer that want to build them, here and there and do something cool with them. But the modular home market might be that they copy the idea behind, okay, we're gonna make these super strong steel structures that no longer have all this flex and are built out of wood and rot. They take the ideas and the concepts that we've constructed utilizing all these shipping containers, and they start implementing it into the design and the structures that they manufacture homes with. Shipping containers can be the answer. Are they now? No. Can they be in the future? Yes. We hope this video has been somewhat knowledgeable. I know I went off on a bunch of random tangents. I had a lot of coffee today. Blackout Coffee Co. They've got the cool K-Cup cups. You've got medium dark roast. That's gonna be your Brutal Awakening is your dark. Medium roast is gonna be Morning Reaper, and then they have 2 flavored, all available in the K-Cups. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Make sure, as always, subscribe.